Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. Let's see what are we going to learn in this video. Here you have to craft something special with the help of this apple and create these beautiful flowers. And here you have to get the scoops and then keep it inside in this pattern and position. Further here you have to keep this on the top and this is yet ready. Further here you have to get this fruit, cut them up in this pattern and then you need to squeeze them in this way. Now just roll it with the help of your hands and give it a beautiful view in this manner. Now here you have to get the splits of a cucumber and then decorate it into the form of a flower. Now here again you have to get the pear and then just secure it with the help of these cherries. You need to put it inside these sticks and further you have to just join them in this manner, make the layers like this. This is yet interesting. Further here you have to get an apple, get the scoop and then you have to just make it in this form. Then you have to secure them up in this pattern and then get the slices with the help of the scissors and get them beautifully engraved in this manner. Now here again you have to get the splits like this and then with the help of the knives you need to get the beautiful structure created in this manner. These are yet interesting. Further here you have to get the thin slices just like a sheet of paper and then get them secured. Let's see in what manner are we going to put the layers around. Now with the help of this you have to get the scoops out and further here you have to arrange the layers like this. Get them beautifully rolled in this manner from one side to another and then you have to secure them up in this way. This is gonna look absolutely amazing and pretty. Now just secure it in this manner. Now here what are we up to? You have to get the incisions like this and then the splits in this manner. Get these beautiful cuts like this and then rotate it and roll them up in this way to make it look like this. This is gonna look amazing. I hope guys you have enjoyed watching our video.